Today we are going to do a very interesting science and life skill activity based on seed germination. Before starting the activity, I would like to tell you what seed germination means. Seed germination is the process by which a seed can grow into a new plant. But for this we need sunlight, air, water and soil.
Today we are performing this activity with the help of 4 samples. First sample is gram.
That's called in Hindi chana.
Second sample is barley.
That's called in jaw.
Third sample is cowpea.
That's called in Hindi lobia.
Fourth sample is green gram.
Moong.
Class 1, can you feel the texture of the soil? Can you feel the texture? Rub it in your palms. Rub it. Rub it. Is it grainy? Yes, it feels grainy, right? It feels grainy. It's not soft like cotton. It's grainy, right? And how does the soil feel? Is it dry or wet? Wet. Wet. It's wet. Very good. So what do I have in my hand? These are barley seeds. What are these? We are gonna just sow them in the soil like this. We have to sow them in the soil like this and then cover it. Cover it like this. Can you all do it? Come on. Put your seeds in. Soak them. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Okay, now cover them with soil. Pat it a little. No seed should be visible. And now what else do we need to do? We need to sprinkle a little water over here. We need to sprinkle a little water. Can you do it? Sprinkle a little water like yes. And why are we sprinkling the water here? Why are we sprinkling the water? We are not pouring it. पूरा नहीं डाल रहे हैं. We are not pouring it. पूरा नहीं डाल रहे हैं. Why? Because जो हमारे seeds है, they should stay on the top. They should stay on the top. And they should not seep down in the soil. Soil के एकदम अंदर चले जाएंगे तो plant बन ही नहीं पाएगा. They will not be able to grow. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna just sprinkle some water over here and rest it. Now let's see. After a few days, it's gonna turn into a very beautiful, beautiful plant, just like you all. Now cover it with soil. Yes. Cover it with soil.
Okay, children. First we take our soil and as you can see, the soil देखो wet है या dry है? क्या है? Dry है. It's very hard also, ठीक है? Then it press it into gently. Now we take a seed. Okay, what is this? Seed of. Seed of. What is this? Is this cowpea? Seed of cowpea. Cowpea. Now if we should cover it very gently. Put it into a soil. Then sprinkle some water. Sprinkle some water. Very little water. Like we will sprinkle the water to become gram. अगर हम इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी देंगे ना तो ये अच्छे से ग्रो होगा. अगर हम ज्यादा पानी दे देंगे तो मिट्टी क्या हो जाएगी? गीली ज्यादा हो जाएगी. अगर मिट्टी ज्यादा गीली हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? It didn't grow, है ना? Then after that we will keep this into for 2 or 3 days. हम 2 or 3 days उसको देखेंगे, वॉच करेंगे. सनलाइट में we will put this into a sunlight. प्रॉपर सनलाइट लग रही है कि वाटर लग रहा है. Then we should give a few days. We check daily routine as a daily routine that how plants are grow. जैसे ये grow के इस तरह बन गए है ना, न्यू प्लांट बन गए. ठीक बेटा, this process is called seed germination. Okay, this activity is about seed germination.